guys, today it's super rainy, so I thought I would do a cozy clean with me, and also I'm going to show you a grocery haul about what I do in a week, kind of what I buy for the week ahead, etc. I usually go to the grocery store at least once a week, usually just that one time, so I'm super excited. And then we're also going to make cornbread together. So let me know down in the description, down in the comments, if you liked this video, if you like kind of more cooking and food related videos. Also, if you guys want to see any vlogs, let me know as well. Hi guys, so I thought that I would show you guys kind of what I got in this grocery haul. Now, to be fair, this is going to be about a week's worth of food, and it's not all food. I have a lot in the freezer, so I needed to get like 1 or 2 ingredients for a freezer meal. So it's kind of every bits and bobs and things I was just out of, but I thought I would show you. Okay, so the first thing I have is laundry detergent. I usually don't get Mrs. Meyer's because it's expensive. I don't like it. But this is the only one that they had that I liked. I don't do like the other ones, so I just do Mrs. Meyer's. I got the basil scent, and then this is my favorite dish soap, Ecos. It's really clean. Actually, this is not because it has lavender scent in it, but I needed something for the dishwasher, so I got this big thing of it. Then I got some milk, vitamin D milk, because I'm low in vitamin D, and I also got the lowest, not the lowest, the highest date I could find out of the milks. Over here I have some whipped cream cheese and strawberry, which is my favorite. It's kind of like dessert when I have it because I usually just get plain or I get dairy free, so this is kind of like a treat. And then I have the Snowman Pillsbury cookie doughs, and if you know, you know. If you don't know, you're probably not American, or you had a terrible childhood. Just kidding. Then I got a huge thing of real lemon. I use this in my tea every single morning, so I go through about one a month. I got some toothpaste. I have to get the Sensodyne because my dentist ruined my teeth, and so that happened. So I have to get the sensitive one, and I can't have candy anymore. I got some chapstick because my dog ate my other one. And then I got some bagels. I usually have this for breakfast every single day. I got cream of potato soup because I needed this with a pork chop recipe I'm making in the crock pot later this week. I got some Jiffy cornbread, which I need to make like now because I'm going to have soup for dinner, and I want to have this with my soup. Breadcrumbs to go with this meal. I got some Cheez-Its. The family size was cheaper, so we went ahead and got that, and then just to have on hand in case I have any friends over or anything. 2 avocados, because I like to make them on my sandwiches in the afternoon. I make like a Panera inspired sandwich. If you want that recipe, leave me a comment down below. I got my favorite flavor blasted goldfish. I can eat one of these as a snack. I know, I'm insane. And then the last thing, the party size Ruffles cheddar and sour cream, which is my absolute favorite snack chip with a soda. So this is very unhealthy. I have all the healthy stuff already stocked. I just needed some junk food when I want to have something a little bit more chunky.